Everyone, today we're going to see sequential digits problem. That is the challenge problem today. So an integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. So that is one is there, then 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, like the one which is given in the example. So this are the sequence of digits which we need to generate. So how do we generate sequence generator? Right, so the best thing would be we'll start from 1 to 10 and initially, and we'll have the value as the one which we started with, which is I, and then we need to count from the start, that is I plus 1 to 10, right? So that would be the second loop, and then we need to add val would be val u into 10, and we need to add the j to it. So this would be the starting point for our calculation. What this loop does is your I would be starting from 1 to 10 and your j would start from I plus 1 to 10. So your value would be 1, and then here your value would be 10, and j would be 2. So here value when you add it, it would be 12. Okay, in the next loop the value is 12 and j would be 3. So here the value will become 120, and when you add it, it become 123. So you can generate similarly in the next value will be 1230, and here it be 1234. Okay, this is how you can generate. It's to generate a sequence of digits, you just need to have two loop and follow this logic. So let me, it's not easy to explain, I understand, but I'm just trying the best to get this point across. So in Python you can just generate 1 to 10 by range 1 comma 10, and your value is nothing but I, and going with the algorithm. So for j in range of I plus 1 to 10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add the value with no, we're going to multiply the value by 10, and then we're going to add j. So val plus equal to j, then you'll print it, then you'll be able to understand what happens. So this should print all possible combination. Okay, let me go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, so this should print all possible combination like 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, so you get all possible combination. So what we need is between the value should be between low and high. So if low less than or equal to val less than or equal to high, then you need to add it in a result. So result equal to an array, and you append it, and you can return the sorted value. So this should give you the answer. 1 2 3 2 3 4 2 3 4 5. Yep. So the main thing here is how do you generate a sequence of digits. So this algorithm will help you to get it. So you start from 1 to 10 and you assign the value as I, and then you loop across. So I'm just going to submit it and check if this works. Yes, it got accepted. So that's it guys for today's. Thanks a lot. See you next time.